Okay. Okay, I'm Kayla.
And I am,
Bogus.
no, girl with bad teeth. And I need some clean,
So do
shiny
I.
teeth.
I had hideous teeth. This is how to brush your teeth, pretty much.
Yes. Are you looking for whiter, brighter teeth?
Well, then this is the place to be.
Yes.
By the way, we have currently made another video called How to Be a Guy.
And check that out. That's really good.
Yeah, it's really good if you hadn't watched it already. But we aren't trying to copy those other guys who made such videos as How to Be Emo, How to Be Gangster,
Ninja.
How to Be Ninja and stuff.
And nerd.
Yeah, and How to Be Nerd. We're not making fun of them or anything, and we're not trying to copy them. I really adore those guys. I think they're amazing. I actually really want to be their friends in real life.
I know, live near them and talk to them.
They're really cool.
I know.
Looking. I'm sorry. They're awesome. Okay.
They're good looking.
No, I said they're cool. Okay.
They're good looking too.
Yeah. Okay. No, I'm not. If you guys are watching this, I'm not trying to make fun of you or anything. You guys
just think you're very hot.
Shut the fuck up.
Bad word.
I mean, shut the heck up. No, we're not trying to make fun of you. We just want to tell you guys that you're really good at this, and you can make way better videos than us. We're just really bored, and we're trying to think of something to do. So,
how do we brush your teeth?
Peace. Okay. First,
what you will need.
Toothbrush, toothpaste,
sink,
and a timer.
And a timer. You need to time exactly 2 minutes. About.
So that's about this whole thing.
Yes.
First, you take your toothbrush. You open the cap, and you put on toothpaste.
Hey, Toothpaste. Yes, this is, I don't know what to.
Then, I usually wet it. Not all people do. This is actually Colgate Cavity Protection Winter Fresh. It smells really good. I wish you guys could smell it.
It smells really good. Just imagine a very good smell.
Yeah. Okay, so then you put your timer on, see? And you start brushing. This is my toothbrush, so I had to use the back end of it. Can I actually go back and forth? I hitched it off. On the molars, and then on the top, and then I go try to try it.